Hello. I'm currently learning Blender at the moment. Well, I've been learning for a while and stuff. But today's tutorial, I'm going to make it as quick as I possibly can. It's how to make a button that's attached to the mesh. Okay, so here's what you do. First things first. So my button's located here. Here's what I'm going to do. We're going to have our quad here where we want it located. We're going to want to insert faces. I personally just click the button. There's probably a short key for that, right? There you go. And then right click, you're gonna loop tools, circle, and then we're gonna scale it down. All right. Once you scale it down, what we're going to do is we are going to, I have it on normal here in individual origin, so you don't really need this, you just need normals. We're gonna extrude it. It's gonna extrude on the y-axis there, like that. And then, hear me out, here's what we're gonna do. We're going to subdivide. And then after we've subdivided, we're going to make this a circle, right? Now, the first thing I bet you're thinking is, oh no, like this is a n-gons and we don't want that. So what we're going to do is that we're going to take all of these points here and we are going to press M to merge, going to merge at center. And then we'll take this quad again, right? G, Z, and then if you want to add some dimension, you can extrude again, and boom. There you go. You got your button for your model. You're welcome.